Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're making curry corn and stone crab. Now these stone crabs were sponsored from the kind folks at Seafood Guys here in Miami, and they also have a location in Fort Lauderdale. So be sure to check them out on Instagram or their Facebook page to find out more, and they will deliver throughout Florida. So these are the large stone crabs, and it comes in this Cyratex container, so it's nice and cold when you get it. It comes with a mustard sauce dip, and I also got a smoked fish dip. Now I'm going to be using half of the stone crabs because it's quite a lot I got in this box, and it does come with a mallet if you choose to enjoy it with the dip. I am actually going to take that mallet and crack open a few because I like to make it easy when I'm cooking these. It's time to enjoy. The meat comes right out. So I'm just going to take the mallet. Now you don't have to do this step, it's totally optional, but if you do this step, make sure those small pieces of shell, you want to get rid of them because you don't want a lot of small shells to be in your food when it's finished cooking. So you see how you can see the crab meat there? That's how I want it, and I want it that when it's cooked it's easy to come out and we can enjoy it. So I'm gonna place this in a big bowl, continue to crack the rest of them, and these claws are so huge and they were sweet and delicious. Now I'm going to wash this with a little lime juice, and then we'll start seasoning them. So I'm going in with salt. Add salt to your taste preference. Fish seasoning is a must. It brings out all of the flavors in the crab. Green seasoning. Now give this a mix and we'll set this aside. Allow it to marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes while you prepare the curry. So to a pot on medium heat, I'm adding in oil. To that oil, I'll add in some fenugreek, also known as meaty seeds. And I'm also going to go in with some jeera, also known as cumin seeds. We're going to allow these to toast until they're light brown in color. You don't want to burn the meaty seeds. Then go in with some curry leaves. Those will pop for a little, so just be careful. And then we'll go in with aromatics. Now chopped onions, hot peppers, pimento peppers, and allow this to saute until it's tender. I'm also going to go in with some chopped scallions. And allow it to continue to saute. Next, I'm using the Korean Flavors duck curry and the Dhalpuri 9-spice curry powder. I like this combination. We're just going to add that into the pot. Make sure your heat is on low. You don't want the curry to burn. And we're going to saute this for about 2 minutes. It's going to feel really grainy. So just let it cook out for 2 minutes. And then we'll go in with water to help it continue to cook. Now add in that water and allow this to continue to cook until it turns into a thick paste and the oils start separating from the curry. See how that's looking? You can see the separation taking place. Just give it a mix. Now I'm going to go in with green seasoning and some chopped tomatoes. It's totally optional. I just love to add some when I make curry. And now we'll go in with our chopped corn and give that a mix. Next, we're going to add in our crab and toss to combine. allow this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then I'll go in with coconut milk. Coconut milk is a must when you're making this. It does make it so luxurious and so yummylicious. So mix that, and we're gonna add in some water to create sauce, because we're gonna serve this with dumplings, and you want to at least have enough sauce for the dumplings. So in went water. You don't want to add too much. And allow it to come up to a simmer for that corn to cook, and the crab will cook, and then you'll taste and adjust your salt and your flavors, and then this is ready to be enjoyed with your delicious homemade dumplings. I do have a recipe for dumplings already on my channel, and you just serve it with the corn and the crab. So guys, don't forget, if you're living in Florida, order your crab, your seafood directly from Seafood Guys Miami or Fort Lauderdale, and they'll deliver it straight to your home. You're going to get the best seafood, the best quality. So thank you all so much for joining me today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.